Hello, Kevin Huntington, your neighborhood realtor, here to share with you what is working now to get homes sold faster and for the most amount of money in this unique 2018 market. Here are the new rules of real estate for 2018, counting down from number 5 to number 1. Rule number 5 is presentation. A house needs to look absolutely amazing the day it hits the market. Thanks to all the popular home shows on networks like HGTV and DIY, buyers today have very high expectations. They expect perfection and are brutally unforgiving when a house doesn't look great. Rule number 4 is price. Your home must be priced perfectly right off the bat. Because of sites like Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com, buyers know exactly what every other house in the neighborhood looks like and what it's sold for. If your home isn't priced right to begin with, buyers will know, and they'll simply pass it up to look at other options. Rule number 3, photos. Photographs are the number 1 most important element in the marketing of your home, and they must be absolutely gorgeous. This is how buyers decide if your home goes on the must-see right away list or the I think we can just pass on this one for now list. If your photos aren't taken with multiple exposure, high dynamic range photography and edited for framing, lighting, and perspective, they're not good enough. Get professional photos taken. Or better yet, hire an agent who will. Rule number 2 is marketing. Digital marketing is essential, and it's far more than just relying on social media or even the MLS to get your listing out. Nowadays, top agents are using targeted pre-list advertising on Facebook, Zillow, and email lists to build up a group of highly motivated buyers who are ready and waiting to see your home the day it hits the market. When done properly, this creates a flood of buyers all at once rather than a trickle of buyers over time, resulting in a faster sale at a higher price. Rule number 1 is expertise. Selling has gotten more complicated than ever before. Meanwhile, buyers have become more and more demanding. Between disclosures, inspections, contracts, and contingencies, there are simply more hoops to jump through than there were in the past. If you choose to work with a realtor, be sure and find someone who has the experience needed to navigate your transaction through to a successful closing. And those are the new rules of real estate for 2018. I hope they're helpful to you. I want sellers in our market to win when they sell, and this is how it's done. If I can help you with anything at all real estate related, please call or text me at 612-860-4082. Send an email to kevin@mnrealestateguy.com, or even just add a comment below this post. I am here at your service, and there's never any obligation. Thanks for watching.